Designing a web page. Recall the Java applets are programs that reside on web pages. In order to run a Java applet, it is first necessary to have a web page that references that applet. A web page is basically made up of text and HTML tags that can be interpreted by a web browser or an applet viewer. Like Java source code, it can be prepared using any ASCII text editor. A web page is also known as HTML page or HTML document. Web pages are stored using file extension HTML such as myapplet.html. Such files are referred to as HTML files. HTML files should be stored in the same directory as the compiled code of the applets. As pointed out earlier, web pages include both text that we want to display and HTML tags commands to web browsers. A web page is marked by an opening HTML tag and a closing HTML tag and is divided into following three major sections. First, comment section is optional, second, head section is optional, and third is body section. A web page outline containing these three sections and the opening and closing HTML tags. Comment section. This section contains comments about the web page. It is important to include comments that tell us what is going on in the web page. A comment line begins with a sign less than, not, and ends with a greater than. Web browsers will ignore the text enclosed between them. Although comments are important, they should be kept to a minimum as they will be downloaded along with the applet. Note that the comments are optional and can be included anywhere in the web page. Head section. The head section is defined with a starting head tag and a closing head tag. This section usually contains a title for the web pages as shown below. The text enclosed in the text title and /title will appear in the title bar of the web browser and when it displays the page. The head section is also optional. Note that tags containing HTML commands usually appear in pairs such as head and /head and title and /title. A slash in a text signifies the end of that tag section. A web page template. Body section. After the head section comes the body section. We call this as body section because this section contains the entire information about the web page and its behavior. We can set up many options to indicate how our page must appear on the screen, like color, location, sounds, etc. Shown below is a simple body section. The body shows above contains instruction to display the message, followed by the applet output to the screen. Note that the center tag makes sure that the text is centered and H1 tag causes the text to be of the largest size. We may use other heading tags H2 and H6 to reduce the size of letters in the text. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful and want more videos like this, then please let me know by hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.